Even after a harshly panned press conference about the Newtown school massacre, 54% of Americans still say they have a favorable view of the National Rifle Association. The new Gallup poll shows numbers in line with the NRA's averages, suggesting its image remains intact after the shooting. The group hit a low of 42% approval in 1994 and more recently hit a high of 60% in 2005. Critics called NRA Executive Vice President LaPierre tone-deaf after his press conference last week when he blamed gun violence on the media, video games, and other culprits, but not on guns themselves. He also called for armed guards in all schools.
I call on Congress today to act immediately to appropriate whatever is necessary to put armed police officers in every single school in this nation.
A recent Gallup poll showed 58% of Americans favor stronger gun laws, but the same poll showed that most people generally do not favor bans on particular weapons.
Want more politics? We've got it all, from the polls to the gaffes. Check out Slate News Politics. Click to subscribe. Like us on Facebook at Slate Video. Follow us on Twitter at Slate Viral.